Hello, I have the intention to show you my CNC Schäublin lathe. It is made with a master controller. Gets such a keyboard. You can spare yourself this monster. So okay, where do we start? I made this as a kit. The rails here are on the side of this bank. It is a Schäublin bank. I don't know or bed, slate bed or lathe bed. They have 10 millimeter deep slots here. You can shove in some T-nut and then screw the rail on this nut. And you can of course accurately position the rail. Now it looks like this. I made this part here onto the same rail. This is of course the ball bearing screw. Here are some sensors. I made here one. I placed there one. This goes here. And this is actually useless now, but because I had to change it to there, so the rule would be like this. This is Z negative and this is X positive, and you have to go down there to zero it out and to home the machine, and then you're good to go. Now I place this harmonica on again. It is not fixed for now, but it keeps the machine clean. Maybe I glue it on, I don't know. But I don't care for now. Now, why I make this video today? I had the intention to inspire you with some epoxy granite casting. This plate is very thin. It is about 12 millimeters thick steel. It is a somewhat harder building steel we use in Europe. I'm from Switzerland. This is a JR 355. It is somewhat hard. It is not too soft. It has, I don't know how many Rockwell it has, maybe 45, 48. About this, it is not too soft. Now I had the problem that this big thin plate started to sing when I did the cut stuff here. This is a C45. It is a relatively soft material, and now we are gonna cut some thin shaves off, and well, we are gonna. You don't hear now anything. You feel the vibration from the cutting, but it is not singing anymore. I did place some screws in the table here and up there, so the granite can grab onto. Yeah, we will wait until the machine is finished and I start talking again. It's somewhat loud. Yeah, that's better. I run this test with about 2,500 RPMs. Well, the surface, well, it is okay. At least for my eye, I like it. Well, that's it. I don't have to talk anymore about it because you have seen or heard maybe nothing because of the slab. Would I have made a clip before, you would have a different sound experience. But what else? Yeah, cast some slabs on your thin plates. You can save a lot of money. I paid about 60 euros for this plate. It was new, not used. I like to buy used steel, but when you don't have one in your dimensions, you go and buy one also. But you can build machines with thin plates and cast on some epoxy. This will erase the vibration it transfers. This was the whole idea why I did make this in the last 2 days. It is just mixing some epoxy granite with 10% epoxy and 90% aggregate. You just take some sand, but the sand has to be dry, of course. When you have some questions, shoot them in the comments. I like to answer them. What else? That's it. Thank you. Leave thumbs up. See you. Thank you. Bye.